Hey everyone, Richard Turner here with Camel City Roofing. Today I'm going to tackle a hot topic in the roofing industry that comes up whenever a big storm hits, like the recent hurricanes, which is storm chasing roofers. Are they heroes helping homeowners in need, or do they bring more problems than solutions? Let's dive into both sides of this debate. Let's start with why storm chasers get a bad reputation. Many homeowners and contractors alike feel like they bring a lot of risks. First off, there's the issue of high pressure sales tactics. Right after a storm, they'll often show up at your door and push you to sign a contract immediately. That urgency can lead homeowners to make decisions without fully understanding the scope or the cost of the work. There's also the concern over work quality. Some storm chasers prioritize speed and volume over craftsmanship, and that can mean rushed or subpar repairs that don't hold up in the long run. And if they're not from the area, getting them to come back for warranty work can be nearly impossible. Finally, there's the issue of insurance fraud. In some cases, storm chasers may encourage homeowners to file inflated or false insurance claims, which can drive up premiums for everyone in the long term. These practices can harm both the homeowner and the reputation of the entire roofing industry. Now, on the flip side, we've got all storm chasers aren't bad. There's legitimate reasons why they're needed after a storm. So when disaster strikes, local roofers can be overwhelmed with calls and simply can't get to every home fast enough. Storm chasers can step in and help the immediate demand, ensuring that homeowners aren't left waiting while their homes take further damage from the exposure. Some storm chasing companies even specialize in storm repairs, bringing valuable expertise. They often know the ins and outs of handling insurance claims efficiently, helping each and every homeowner navigate what can be a stressful process. And in some cases, storm chasers can bring competitive pricing. With so many contractors competing for business after a disaster, homeowners may benefit from lower costs, which can be a relief during an already difficult time. Now let's go to the importance of local contractors. Many local contractors like us at Camel City Roofing matter, especially for the long haul. When you hire a local roofer, you're not just getting a one-time fix, you're building a relationship. We live here, we work here, we stand by our work. If something goes wrong or if you need to follow up repairs, we're just a phone call away. And you can count on us for long-term accountability. Now, local contractors also understand the unique needs of the area. We know weather patterns, local building codes, and what materials work best in our climate. The level of personalized service that you receive from somebody like us is something you just can't get from anywhere else besides in your community. What's the takeaway from all this? In my opinion, both storm chasers and local contractors have a place in the roofing industry, especially after a storm. Storm chasers can provide the fast emergency repairs that are sometimes crucial right after a disaster, while local roofers are here for the long-term quality and service that homeowners need to feel secure. The key is to make sure you're hiring someone ethical, reliable, whether they're local or from out of town. So make sure you do your research, check their reputation, make sure they're licensed and insured. And if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here to help and we can guide you through the process. At the end of the day, protecting your home is what matters most. And we want to make sure that you, the homeowner, have all the information you need to make the best decision for you and your family. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like, comment, maybe subscribe if this is on YouTube, for more tips for keeping your roof in great shape. And if you have any questions about storm damage, roofing, warranties, any of the above, just drop it in the comments if this is on YouTube, which hopefully it is. And I appreciate you watching, and see you next time.